Hi friends, today is very short video. You can see I am disassembling the Audi A2 3L front axle, including power steering and other stuff. And many people know that there are these brackets which hold the stabilizer bar. This goes back like this. You can see the plastic part is completely ripped off and or tear down. And what this video is about is only one life hack which can save you many dozens of, probably hundreds of euros or any currency. So you can see it is pretty rusty. It's bolted into the aluminium subframe, aluminium alloy subframe, so it will be stuck. It's stuck perfectly. So first step is to get yourself some ideally it will be impact wrench, dedicated or impact wrench grade tool from some better steel. I have this bastard from Poland, but it works. So first part of the life hack is this. Just put it into the position and then find yourself this very advanced tool and make this. You can see, don't be afraid to make a slight tap. This is probably 2 or 3 kilograms, I don't know it. Do this. And second, and the main part is, you can see that this is the spline or 12 edges, 12 peaks. Now it's visible. And the tool is pretty worn, and also there is a rust, so it does not fit as it used to. To prevent of damaging of this bolt lies in one magic thing. When you have some tool and you just want to release it now, but it's biggest fault you can make. The ideal process is if you take this tool and make one movement only to release it, but not in counterclockwise direction, but in the clockwise direction, like tightening it a little bit. I will show you. You can see, did you hear that sound? Now I can pretty easily unbolt everything. The main reason for tightening it is that if you destroy, or if it stays stuck, or if it's needed to heat it up, you will at least not damage the bolt head in this direction. You will damage it a little bit in this direction, but this doesn't matter, just because you know you want to release it. So I'm making this every single time I want to remove any bolt or any part of the car, and it never went bad. So I will try to use my third hand now. Now it's difficult, but I will make it later. But you can clearly see it is possible not by hand yet, but we are going easily, clearly, no problems. Can see nothing is damaged. Nothing is even the smallest damage there is not present, and I recommend everybody to use different bolt with the different head next time, so you will evade the complete wear of this 12 or of this spline. So you know. So this is everything for today. Have a nice day. Don't be afraid to repair your cars, just because every time you make it you will learn some new skill, and have a nice day and weekend. Ciao.